Hello everyone, welcome to update day 60. So this is the second time kinda at update day 60. Before I was at the train station in Zurich a few hours ago. Now I finally arrived at my hometown and did nothing much. I just cleaned a bit quickly, unpacked, defined what needs to be washed, and I wanted to make a quick update on how I am doing with my empty promises to myself. So let's start with the first one. The cold shower thing actually is the only thing I do the best. I'm not extremely consistent, so it means that once a week I might miss out. But today, when I didn't have that much sleep and I felt a bit annoyed about myself, I was like, okay, let's take a cold shower, at least have this feeling of achievement. It worked very well. And I have to say that the water in Davos, the cold water in Davos, makes sense, I guess, because it's in the mountains. It's very cold. It's not like the city cold water. It's like freezing cold. But I managed. So this also again made me feel good for a moment. But yoga I haven't done since Monday. Monday I did it, but then afterwards not. And not because I didn't have the time or place. I could have easily done it because my balcony where I stayed had enough space, so it would have been feasible. I just felt lazy. Besides this, so my productivity currently sucks. It's just evenings. I'm coming from work usually and I'm not managing to work. And I used to be able to do this, but currently it's terrible. And there are a lot of small things accumulating and everything is waiting to be done. But I'm just procrastinating and it's terrible. I hate it. Also today in the train I wanted to work because I had a almost 4 to 5 hour train ride from Davos to where my hometown is. But okay, so the first train was either way fully packed. I was sitting next to a school class with young teenage boys. Total chaos, but it's funny, like just to observe them was just so fun and very distracting. So for me, I didn't really see there a possibility to properly work. Then the next train was very full, and at this moment I just felt like exhausted and didn't do anything. And now I'm here going to the garden to check if there is something to eat for me for dinner tonight. I mean, I still have some pasta type of food at home, but I would prefer like something from the garden, something fresh. Yeah. So this is not so. I really need to get my productivity working. And one thing when I realized when I came now home, I just wanted to lay down and chill with the phone on my bed. And then I said no, because if I do this, I will waste easily half an hour. And I said, now you're gonna first do all the letters, empty the letterbox. And I could feel how this was draining me energy because I had to withstand my inner urge to just go lay down and be on the phone. Now I'm really happy because I could leave my home while still light is outside and I could go quickly to the shop to buy something for dinner. But I felt like this tiny task of going through the letterbox and through the letters took me so much energy because I had to put my phone on the side and say, I'm now focusing on this, gonna check what needs to be paid, what is paid, etc. Not a big task, a task of 10 minutes to 15 minutes maximum. But I could feel the energy leaving, like, because I had this inner fight with myself, and it just, and I feel sometimes also maybe with that I am addicted to my phone and that this is also hindering me a lot, or I'm addicted to distraction in a way that it's really harming my productivity. And because it's harming my productivity, it's harming me because I get unhappy. When I get unhappy, I don't sleep well. When I don't sleep well, I don't do my exercise. When I do my exercise, I will not take a cold shower because I feel more like taking a cold shower when I've did the exercise. So yeah, that's it. My voice. That's it basically. It's also like I feel like I'm missing out on life because I'm procrastinating, because there is so much to do, but I prefer sitting and waiting to start doing something that I miss out. Like in Davos now, I could have done my presentation in the first 2 days and enjoyed the rest, but I postponed till the last minute, really till the last minute. And I had it always on my mind, not that much off at the beginning, towards the end increasing, but I just think, why? Like, and I told myself, I think at the beginning 2 or 3 times, and that I'm going to just go home to the hotel and sit down and do the presentation. It didn't work out, so I am frustrated about this. But compared to the beginning, I don't feel devastated about it. I'm just frustrated. I can live with it, and I can say tomorrow will be a different day. Whereas at the beginning, I really felt uncomfortable and I just wanted to give up. So that's a minor progress, but maybe I'm just getting used to failure. Well, that's it actually. My overthought things about my life and my productivity summarized. And I might make some more videos and more frequently, because I think that's also keep on reminding me that I really need to work, that it's better for me to do things on a regular basis. Yeah. Look at those grapes. So guess who is going to eat some grapes? Me. So yeah, here I am, and with this I would like to also already end. I wish everyone a good evening and lots of productivity.